everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is a lash and brow lamination kit, and it is by that brand right there. So that's what it looks like. But let's go ahead and get right into this and see everything that comes in here. So you have your little user manual right here. This is everything that you'll need. It comes with the glue, the Perm nourishing. It has cleanser, fixing. You have your little Y brush in here. It looks like it does come with two these brushes, which you'll need. Some spoolies, some little applicators, and then you have your lash tape. So this one you must be able to tape. But let's go ahead and get right into this. So step one, cleanse, which I already did. I'm gonna brush them up. And then we're going to use, it says glue. So we're gonna apply a thin layer. Okay. Then we're going to okay, so once you have your eyebrows done, I don't want them going directly up because I don't like the way that looks. And then over here, it looks like I'm gonna have to get, I like to dye my brows, but I'm probably gonna have to dye my brows because I don't like the way that looks. It's a little sparse. So I will dye my brows later on. So I'm sure you guys will see that. So you're gonna get one of these little brushes like this, the purple ones, and then you're going to get the perming solution, which is this right here. And you're gonna put this on your brows in an upward direction. So just like that, I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Apply this. Just like that. Just gonna let that. Just like that, and then we're gonna do the other side. I should have just got like one big piece. Do the same thing with this side. Get that piece right there. Okay, and now I'm going to wait 10 minutes, and then I'm going to show you guys what to do once you're done with that part. Okay, and now I've let it sit on for 5 to 6 minutes because I let it sit on for 6 minutes because it says 5 to 6 minutes for thin brows and 8 to 9 minutes for thicker. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna take this off. And then I'm gonna wipe it off with a Q-tip. Because it says clean as much as you can off with that. And now that we're done with that, we're going to take the fixing solution. You're going to get a clean brush, which I have one right here. And then I'm going to apply this to my brows again. Okay, and then you're going to put some of the saran wrap on it and then wait another 5 to 6 minutes or 8 to 10, depending on how thick your hair is. like I said, mine's pretty thin. Okay, so it has been 6 minutes, and I also wanted to throw, like in the beginning, when you first cleanse your brows, they do have a cleanser in there, which somehow I missed, but I already had cleaned them, so it really doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and take this off now. Now I'm going to wipe these down. You want to make sure that you get all the previous product out. And now you're going to go in with your nourishing one. And I'm going to get a little bit of this. I use this one right here. I'm going to apply it on both my brows. And I'm going to brush it out with a spoolie. So just like that, and that is what your brows look like once they're complete. And this will actually last for a few weeks, so very easy to do, just when you have some free time, and then you wake up with beautiful brows. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.